Definitely, tuloy-tuloy yung ating RORE vision. Dahil yung BRP Sierra Madre is considered a commission Philippine Navy ship. At ang mga nakatao po dito ay mga sundalo ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. So it is our duty to continue bringing supplies to them, to sustain them in their operations, and to make sure that their morale, their welfare is taken care of. So, kaya definitely, tuloy-tuloy yung ating gagawing resupply mission. Ngayon, nag-uusap na kami ng Coast Guard, ng Philippine Navy, ng BFAR, at ng iba pang mga ahensya ng gobyerno upang magtulong-tulong kami kung paano natin gagawin yung mga susunod na mga resupply missions such that maiwasan natin yung mga ganitong insidente na merong nasusugatan. So, we will be adjusting our operations, but definitely hindi ko namin pwedeng sabihin kung ano po yung mga adjustments nila.
Kasama ba yung CSAP sa napag-usapan sa security cluster meeting kahapon?
Marami kami napag-usapan, no? Hindi lamang yung gagawin namin na operations dito sa baba, pero yung lahat po ng mga pwede natin gawin as a country, no? Using all the instruments that are available to us.
Kay Vice Admiral Carlos po. Last time sir, sabi niyo, naubos na yung mga resupply vessel. Pero ito ngayon UF4, napuruhan last time. So, ano po yung status ng iba pang UFs po natin? And enough pa ba para maging regular yung resupply missions?
Well, when I mentioned that, literal na mga pick-up na naubos, hindi ba naubos? Ang gusto ko lang point out at that time is Chinese Coast Guard is really causing damages to our supply routes. But as far as the future RORES, sabi nga ni Chief of Staff, we are studying all options. Bottom line is we will continue to resupply our troops in Ayungin, unacceptable na tumigil ang resupply and rotation of personnel doon. So there are a lot of options, there are a lot of course instructions that are available to us, and we will implement those as soon as may approval from higher headquarters.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.